Lord, I come to you. Let my heart be changed, renewed, flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away by the power of your love. Oh, be close, let your love surround me. Oh, draw me to your side. I rise up and give, and I will sow with you. Your spirit lifts me up, and the power of your love. Lord, unveil my eyes. Let me see your face. To taste the knowledge of your love as you do in me. Lord, renew my mind as you will and born in my life, believing every day for the power of your love. Oh, be close, let your love surround me. Rise up like an eagle, and I will soar with you. Your spirit lifts me up by the power of your love. Oh, let your love surround me. Oh, draw me to your side. And I will rise up like an eagle, and I will soar with you. Your spirit lifts me up by the power of your and I will soar with you. Your spirit lifts me up in the power of your love. Amen. Praise the Lord. Salamat po sa